Alright, it is now about 4 o'clock. Our rain is starting to turn to sleety, hard. The ground is wet. We are above freezing. Weather thing says at 2:30 it was at 12.3 feet. It is definitely getting colder. Oh wow. Let's go. Ooh, ooh, buddy, it's getting cold, Raven. You can see right here. We've got some definite water there. And then that's the creek. It's gonna fill in right here. This whole 15 acres. There you go. Ooh, but that is definitely starting to freeze. And we still have all night. And flood warning is now until 10 a.m. Oh, thanks for watching. Alright, it is 5:45 now. And you can just feel it is so cold out. See the creek, we're at 12.4 feet. Last I looked. But it is getting dark. Oh. You can see the creek's like right there. Whew. Goodness gracious. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and it will all be frozen. So for now, this is what we got. Alright, it's before 6 o'clock. You may not know what a flash freeze is. I'm gonna show you. Look, it's been raining all day. That is a flash freeze. All this is gonna freeze. Thanks for watching.